Okay. CM number 24, Certificate of Canvas, Oaths, and Proclamation of winning candidates for members of the Sangguniang Lungsod. B12 2025 National Local and Foreign Parliamentary Elections, B12 2025. We that assign members of the City Board of Canvassers to hereby certify on the oath that we have duly canvassed the votes cast in 346, class 26 for the candidates serving for member of Sangguniang Lungsod. The election is held on May 12, 2025. Attached here to the reporting party of 16 to compose by precinct CEF number 20-A, guarded by each candidate. Name of winning candidates: Dumagoso Joaquin, 140.